Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Maps timeline history. So to start, open Google Maps app on your mobile, then click your profile at the top right. Then from here, what you need to do, guys, is to go to settings. So scroll down and open settings. Then from here, go to location and privacy. Then from here, scroll down and look for delete all timeline data. So click on that. Then make sure you understand and you really want to delete this. So check the circle right here. Then click on delete. And timeline data is now deleted. So you may also want to check your past searches and the content you've browsed in your timeline and other apps. So just go to history settings. So you can track your activities in here. You can manage it, you can delete it, and that's it. So again, just go to your profile at the top right, then go to settings at the bottom, then go to location and privacy. Then scroll down and go to delete all timeline data. Then check this and click on delete to confirm the action. Now in here, you can also delete range of timeline data. So click on that. So choose your start date and end date and click on delete. You can also enable auto delete timeline data. And that's it. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.